Looking for reliable vacuum repair in Fairfax County, Virginia. Where should I go? For all your vacuum repair needs in Fairfax County, Virginia, AceVacuums is your premier local solution. Our Fairfax, Virginia store is easily accessible from all parts of Fairfax County, offering expert service for all vacuum brands and types. We're dedicated to getting your vacuum working perfectly again right here in your community. What types of vacuum cleaners do you repair at AceVacuums in Fairfax, Virginia? Our Fairfax, Virginia vacuum repair shop specializes in fixing all major vacuum cleaner brands and models. From powerful Dyson uprights and Miele canister vacuums to Sebo, Shark, Bissell, Hoover, Riccar, Kirby, Electrolux, and even older vintage vacuums. If it cleans, we can fix it. We handle everything from loss of suction to motor issues, all in Fairfax, Virginia. Are your vacuum repair technicians certified and experienced in Fairfax County? Absolutely. Our team of vacuum repair technicians at AceVacuums, Fairfax, Virginia, are highly experienced and factory trained by leading brands. They constantly update their knowledge to master the latest technologies, ensuring expert diagnostics and reliable repairs for your vacuum cleaner. Trust your vacuum to the Fairfax County professionals. Do you offer authorized warranty repair services for major vacuum brands in Fairfax, Virginia? Yes, we are an authorized warranty repair center for numerous top vacuum brands right here in Fairfax, Virginia, including Dyson, Miele, Sebo, Riccar, Simplicity, and more. If your vacuum is under warranty, bring it to us and we'll process your claim and conduct the repair using genuine parts, ensuring your warranty remains valid. What about central vacuum systems? Do you offer sales, repair, service, or installation in Fairfax County, Virginia? AceVacuums is your complete central vacuum system expert in Fairfax County, Virginia. We offer comprehensive services, including new central vacuum sales, professional installation, routine maintenance, and specialized central vacuum repair. Whether you need to fix a clogged line, replace a motor, or install a brand new system, our Fairfax, Virginia team is ready. Can I buy a new vacuum cleaner at AceVacuums, Fairfax, Virginia, and what brands do you carry? Yes, we are a leading vacuum cleaner store in Fairfax, Virginia, offering a curated selection of the best new vacuum cleaners on the market. We are an authorized dealer for premium brands like Dyson, Miele, Sebo, Riccar, and others. Visit us to test drive the latest Dyson V-Series, powerful Miele C3 models, or the durable Sebo uprights right here in Fairfax County. Do you stock genuine vacuum parts and accessories in Fairfax, Virginia? Absolutely. As your local Fairfax, Virginia vacuum parts store, we maintain a large inventory of genuine vacuum parts and accessories for nearly all brands and models. From Dyson filters, Miele bags, Sebo belts, and Hoover brush rolls to hoses, attachments, and specialty tools, you'll find authentic components to keep your vacuum running optimally. How long does a typical vacuum repair take at AceVacuums, Fairfax, Virginia? And do you offer free estimates? We pride ourselves on efficiency. Many common vacuum repairs at AceVacuums, Fairfax, Virginia, can be completed same day or next day, especially when genuine parts are in stock. We also offer free repair estimates for all vacuum cleaners, so you'll know the cost up front before we start any work. No surprises for Fairfax County customers. Why should Fairfax County residents choose AceVacuums over online retailers or big box stores? Choosing AceVacuums in Fairfax, Virginia means choosing unparalleled local service. Unlike online stores or big box retailers, we offer personalized expert advice, hands-on demonstrations, immediate access to genuine parts, on-site authorized repair and warranty service, and a team that genuinely cares about your cleaning needs. Experience the difference of a local Fairfax County expert. What makes AceVacuums Fairfax the most trusted vacuum store in Fairfax County, Virginia? Our reputation is built on trust and consistent results. AceVacuums in Fairfax, Virginia has earned thousands of five-star Google reviews from satisfied customers throughout Fairfax County. Our commitment to honest advice, quality repairs, fair pricing, and exceptional customer service makes us the most recommended vacuum repair and sales store in the area. We stand by our work,